How to enable or disable optimized video streaming while on battery in MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Here in System Settings on left side, go to Battery. In Battery, okay, below you can see the Option button. Okay, you can click this and the pop-up are show. Here in pop-up, you can see the optimized video streaming while on battery. And the optimized video streaming while on battery is disabled. So okay, to enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this enable, to increase battery life of your Mac will stream highly dynamic range or HDR, video in standard dynamic range or SDR. And after that, click done button to save. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. And if you want to disable again, okay, you'll have to do is go to option again and switch off the switch button on the right side of this optimized video streaming while on battery and click done to save to disable. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled optimized video streaming while on battery and MacBook Air.